Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and we want to check the headphones first. So first we're going to talk about the USB-C headphones because there's no 3.5mm jack. We want to check them. We want to test them with another device, make sure they're working, and we want to inspect our USB-C port for any visible damage or dirt inside, so debris, dirt, and etc. Here at the bottom, we got our USB-C port. It's really hard to miss. We want to make sure that it's clean on the inside. As you guys can see, I put it to the light. It is definitely clean, but it all depends on the person. If your phone, for example, has fallen on the dirt, then that might already be, you already want to be cautious. So after doing that, what are we going to do is we want to simply restart the phone. So to restart the phone, we want to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time and keep on holding it until we see the power menu pop up. Here we tap on restart and tap again to restart the phone, and I'll see you guys in a second once it is done. After the restart, what we're going to do is, if you're using an adapter, so USB-C to 3.5mm jack, make sure that you do not use it if it's not original or certified. It can break down any second. You will have no idea when or why it broke down on you, and that will basically be the end of it. So make sure that you use the original one or the certified adapter if you're really using one. Now, you can also test another pair of headphones, as I've mentioned, but now we're going into the end of the wired headphones. We're going to the settings to update our software. So this is our last resort. We're gonna unlock the phone and wait for it to start. Go to settings, and in the settings we want to swipe down, go to software update, and click check for updates. Now, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It is very important because you want to make sure that you're on the latest version without any glitches. And of course, the new version can also have some glitches inside, but definitely a lot less than the older version before that. So be careful with it. And now we're going to move on to the Bluetooth headphones. So let's open up our connections. Now we want to click on Bluetooth, and as you guys can see, I do have them paired, but they're not detecting themselves just anymore. So what are we going to do is we're going to go and turn off our Bluetooth, turn it on again, and now after that, we're simply going to forget and repair the headphones. So we're going to click on the gear icon, click on Unpair, not connect, not rename, Unpair, click on the red text. And now I do have them right here. So what are we going to do now is we're going to pair them. You need to figure out a way to pair your own headphones. I'm on the AirPods 3 Pros, and I paired them with double tapping the front case. So there are a lot of methods, but you need to find your own on how you pair your headphones. Now we're going to click scan right at the top here, and I'm going to double tap the case. They pop up, and we're gonna tap on them. Now we get a sound and also a Bluetooth pairing request. We're gonna click on pair, and as you guys can see, we are connected for calls and audio. If they are not connecting, they're not detected, then what you guys want to do is make sure that they're charged to 100%. Sometimes it may be like it, it's pretty normal. And also make sure that you avoid any Wi-Fi or device interference so that no other device connects to your headphones. Now, as a last resort, what you guys want to do is go over into general management, and here go to reset. Now in the reset, we're going to go to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. We're going to click it once, and now we see the confirmation on our screen. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.